Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here cyclohexane derivative is given with two bridged carbons. You have to find the compound can give how many number of signal in the proton NMR. Before finding the number of signal, you have to know any symmetry present inside the molecule or not. The compound has one mirror plane of symmetry which bisects the cyclohexane and bridged carbon. So one mirror plane bisects the bridged carbon means the more symmetry present inside the molecule, lesser number of signal. The atom reflected in the mirror plane will be magnetically equivalent. They will have same type of chemical shape. So the compound has 5 signals in the proton NMR. Here the concept you have to learn here is the reflected atoms are magnetically equivalent. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.